Friends, welcome back to my channel. So 22nd జాబ్ అప్డేట్స్కి మీకు వెల్కమ్. అండ్ ఫస్ట్ హైరింగ్ వచ్చేసి నోవాక్ ఈజ్ హైరింగ్ ఫర్ నాన్ వాయిస్ ప్రాసెస్ డేటా ఎంట్రీ. అండ్ వాక్ ఇన్ డేట్ వచ్చేసి 23rd of July 10 AM to 3 PM. అండ్ ఎనీ graduate can apply for this role. And 0 to 2 years of experience, and age should be below 25 years. And జాబ్ డిస్క్రిప్షన్ వచ్చేసి బేసిక్ టైపింగ్ టెస్ట్ అండ్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ, లైక్ సెల్ఫ్ ఇంట్రడక్షన్ అండ్ ద టైపింగ్ టెస్ట్. లైక్ టైపింగ్ స్పీడ్ షుడ్ బి 30 words per minute. అండ్ సెకండ్ వన్ వచ్చేసి ఇండస్ఇండ్ బ్యాంక్ వచ్చేసి బిజినెస్ డెవలప్మెంట్ ఎగ్జిక్యూటివ్స్కి హైర్ చేస్తున్నారు. అండ్ వాక్ ఇన్ డ్రైవ్ వచ్చేసి 25th of July to 26th of July 10 AM to 4:30 PM. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్ వచ్చేసి అపోలో ఫార్మసీ ఈజ్ హైరింగ్ ఫర్ pharmacist who is having 0 years of experience. Like freshers can apply for this role. And this is the job description. You can directly call them on the mentioned mobile numbers. And next one వచ్చేసి Genpact is hiring for freshers for the non-voice, like for the voice process. హిందీ ప్లస్ ఇంగ్లీష్ వచ్చిన వాళ్ళు ఈ జాబ్కి ఎలిజిబుల్ అనమాట. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్ వచ్చేసి CGS ఈజ్ హైరింగ్ ఫర్ చాట్ అండ్ వాయిస్ ప్రాసెస్. అండ్ ప్రిఫర్ క్యాండిడేట్ ప్రొఫైల్ ఎనీ వన్ విత్ 6 months to 1 year of experience in ఇంటర్నేషనల్ ప్రాసెస్. అండ్ షిఫ్ట్స్ వచ్చేసి రొటేషనల్. అండ్ CTC వచ్చేసి 2.4 to 4.2 lakhs based on their experience. And 2-way cab is provided. Candidate roles and responsibilities: handling inbound chats and from customers. అండ్ మెన్షన్ చేసిన ఈ నెంబర్కి మీ రెజ్యూమ్ ఫార్వర్డ్ చేయండి. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్ వచ్చేసి కాన్సంట్రిక్స్ ఈజ్ హైరింగ్ ఫర్ డేటా ఎంట్రీ ఆపరేటర్స్, అండ్ విచ్ ఈస్ డే షిఫ్ట్ ప్లస్ నైట్ షిఫ్ట్స్. ఎనీ గ్రాడ్యుయేట్ కెన్ అప్లై ఫర్ దిస్ రోల్. సో BE and BTech, PG are not eligible. And candidate should have 30 words per minute. InTouchCX is hiring for chat process who is having experience of 0 to 3. And walk-in drive వచ్చేసి 24th of July to 2nd August. And this is the job description. And forward your resume to the mentioned email ID. And next one వచ్చేసి Cognizant is hiring for customer support voice. And walk-in drive వచ్చేసి 24th of July 10 AM to 1 PM. And వాకింగ్ లొకేషన్ వచ్చేసి ఫినాన్షియల్ డిస్ట్రిక్ట్, నానక్రామ్గూడ విలేజ్. సో జాబ్ డిస్క్రిప్షన్. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ వచ్చేసి Infosys హైరింగ్ ఫర్ జావా డెవలపర్స్. అండ్ who is having experience of 3 to 8 years. I have provided link in the description. And next one వచ్చేసి Cognizant is hiring for digital marketing trainer who is having experience of 3 to 6 years. And they can attend interview at financial district Nanakramguda. And they can directly share the resume in the mentioned email ID. And the next one, Carol Health is hiring for HCC coders who is having experience of 1 to 6. And they can directly forward their resume in the mentioned email address. Next one, LTIMindtree is hiring for SAP BPC consultant who is having experience of 5 to 10. And I have provided a link in the description to apply. Next one వచ్చేసి LTIMindtree DV360 హైర్ చేస్తున్నారు. సో you can directly drop mail to the mentioned email address. Next one వచ్చేసి TCS is hiring for SAP Basis, and you can directly apply using the link. Next one is Trigent. Trigent is hiring for solution architect who is having experience of 5 and plus. Next one is Salesforce automation engineer. So PwC hiring, so drop an email. Next one is Coforge is hiring for Salesforce developer who is having experience of 7 to 10. Work location is Greater Noida. Next one is Rapid Technologies. So hiring for multiple roles. So I have mentioned them in the display. And next one is Anito. Anito is hiring for same multiple roles, like who is having 1 plus 2 3 years of experience. And next one Genpact is hiring for RTR domain who is having experience of 10 to 5 years. Next one Heritage Foods is hiring for the customer activation manager and executive who can work from Hyderabad office. And the next one Teamware Solutions is hiring for IT infrastructure store engineer who is having experience of 4 to 12 and work location Bangalore. Next one PeopleTech is hiring for software architect who is having experience of 14 plus years, and they can directly drop an email to the mentioned email ID. Next one TCS is hiring for SAP HR consultant, and I have provided the link in the description to apply. Next one TCS is hiring for Workday HCM. I have mentioned the email address in the description. So next one TCS is hiring for identity governance and administration. So they can directly apply using the link, or they can next one PwC is hiring for Workday Core HCM who is having experience of 6 to 10 years and CTC 7 to 15 lakhs per annum. And I have mentioned the email address in the display. And next one TCS is hiring for identity governance and administration role who is having experience of 4 to 8 years. And then next one వచ్చేసి customer service role Genpact, work location Hyderabad. All freshers are eligible to apply for this role. I have mentioned the email ID. Next one is TCS is hiring for SAP SuccessFactors consultant who is having experience of 4 to 6 years, location Kolkata. So they can directly apply using the link mentioned in the description. And the next one is data engineer for Concentrix who is having experience of 4 years to 7 years. I have mentioned the link in the description to apply. And the next Experis is hiring for core Java, Azure, Spring Boot. So I have mentioned the email address. Next Indem Software is hiring for Power Apps developer who is having experience of 5 plus years. And locations Chennai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, and work mode is hybrid, and notice period should be 30 days. Next one Scient is hiring for embedded C developer who is having experience of 3 to 6 years, and embedded C++ developer who is having experience of 3 to 6 years, and walk-in drive will be in Bangalore location, date 27 July 2024 and Saturday. So next one is TEK Systems. TEK Systems is hiring for EWM functional, SAP EWM functional, and I have mentioned the job description as well. You can directly apply. So TCS again hiring for SAP SuccessFactors contingent, location Calcutta. Just Technology is hiring for SAP Hana. So I have mentioned the email address, you can directly apply. So Zydus Life Sciences Hyderabad is hiring for the substance production executive, senior executive role. So you can directly scan this and or you can directly attend the interview. And the next one, TCS is hiring for SAP FICO and Hana. So you can directly attend the interview on 27th of July, or you can directly apply. Here I have provided the link. So next one, First Source is hiring for US mortgage who is having experience of 1 to 6 years. I have mentioned the mobile number in the display. And the next one, TCS is hiring for solution architect who is having experience of 8 to 12 years, and I have provided the link to apply. Next one, ServiceNow for TCS and who is having 4 to 9 years of experience. They can directly attend that interview on 27th. Next one is SAP Ariba functional consultant for LTIMindtree who is having experience of 5 to 10, and I have provided link to apply. And next is TCS is hiring for SAP consultant, and they can directly attend the interview on 27th of July at Superior Corridor Indoors Skyview Corporate Park, Gurgaon, Delhi, Deccan Park, Hyderabad. And a candidate should have 4 to 9 years of experience into SAP MM. And the next one, HSBC is hiring for automation tester and who is having experience of 5 to 10 years, and I have provided link to apply. Next one is Cognizant. Cognizant is hiring for record to report and work location, and the interview location will be the Cognizant Technology Solutions building number HCLTech IT Park, who is having experience of 6 to 11 years. And next one, Cognizant Workforce is hiring for workforce management who is having experience of 3 to 6 years, and candidate needs to be ready for the walk-in interview, and or they can directly drop an email as mentioned here. Next one, Infosys hiring for Java developer who is having experience of 3 to 8 years. I have provided the link in the description. Next one, Infosys is hiring for Tera data who is having experience of 3 to 7 years. Next one, Infosys is hiring for SAP Basis. I have provided the link in the description. And next one, Trigent is hiring for Python developer lead who is having experience of 6 to 10 years, and work location will be Hyderabad, Pune, Bangalore, and CTC 10 to 13 lakhs per annum. So next one, CGS is hiring for call center team lead, quality analyst, and list supervisor trainer. So they can directly call the given mobile numbers, or they can directly go to the walk-in. So next one, so Cognizant mega walk-in drive for order to cash accounts receivable on 27th of July at Hyderabad location, and experience should be 4 to 7 years, and the candidate should have BCom, MCom, or MBA, and notice period will be 60 days max, and CTC would be 5.97 lakhs per annum. Next one is HCL. HCL is hiring for multiple SAP domains roles and SAP SAP QM plant maintenance lead, SAP native HANA developer, SAP finance functional Snowflake developer. Next one, Genpact is hiring for manager RTR. Work location will be Jaipur, and candidate should be ready to join within 15, 13 or 45 days. Next one is LTIMindtree is hiring for SAP SRM functional consultant who is having experience of 5 plus, and candidate can join within 45 days, and locations pan India. Next one is yes Technology is hiring for senior SAP PPQM professional. Next one, LTIMindtree is hiring for SAP field as functional consultant who is having 3 years of experience. Candidate should be ready to join in within 45 days, and pan India is the work locations. And next one, TSOL is hiring for associate listed derivatives who is having experience of 1 to 3 years, and candidate should be immediate joiner. Next one, Foresoft is hiring for Java backend developers who is having experience of 4 to 8 years. Next one, LTIMindtree is hiring for ARPA functional consultant who is having experience of 5 to 12 years, and candidate ready to join in 45 days, and locations all pan India. And the next one is Tech Mahindra is hiring for an intern at Pune location. Next one, Infosys hiring for multiple roles: medical devices SME, and Java developer, React JS developer, Node.js developer, .NET developer, point of sales developer. They can directly copy the link, and they can directly apply to this mentioned jobs. And next one is TEK Systems is hiring for DevOps engineer. He's having experience of 4 plus years. Next one, Mastech is hiring for Oracle Service Delivery Manager in UK who is having 5 plus years of experience in IT leadership role. Next one, Mauritech is hiring for Salesforce CPQ lead who is having experience of 6 to 12 years, and work location will be Hyderabad, Bangalore, Visakhapatnam, Chennai, Kolhapur. Next one, Genpact is hiring for assistant manager record to report process at Jaipur location, and candidate should have 5 to 9 years of experience, and candidate should be joined within 45 days. Next one, Tech Mahindra is hiring for process trainer for Ahmedabad location. He should have 2 plus years of experience, and ready to work from office in rotational shifts, and he should have fluent in English and Hindi language. Next one, TSOL is hiring for SQL developer. Candidate should have H1B visa and 8 to 10 years of experience. Next one, Genpact is hiring for management trainee RTR in Jaipur, and candidate should have minimum 3 years of experience and ready to join within 45 days. Next one, Humans of Mumbai is hiring for HR operations role who is having experience of 5 to 8 years. Next, Pharmacy is hiring for intern support the team execution in CRM campaigns, and BTech graduate with computer science background and preferable projects. Next one is LTIMindtree is hiring for customer support international voice process, who is having experience of 1 to 3 years, and the work location will be Bangalore, and ready to work in rotational shifts, and the qualification should be graduation, any graduate. And next one is LTIMindtree is hiring for Azure Key Vault and SSO specialist to join their security practice. And next one is IBM is hiring for a Java backend developer who is having experience of 3 to 12 years, and the work location will be Kochi. Timings should be or 2 to 10 p.m. and hybrid mode for 3 days work from office. And next one, Hexaware Technologies is hiring for a CMFC, and he should have 9+ years of experience. Work location will be Chennai, Mumbai, Pune, Noida, Bangalore. Next one, Live C Jobs is hiring for talent acquisition position at Chennai location for leading manufacturing company in India. HCL is hiring for mortgage underwriting, and work location will be Bangalore, and candidates should ready to attend walk-in drive. Next, LTIMindtree is hiring for cyber ARK implementation specialist who is having experience of 6 to 8 years. Next one, Talent Boon Consulting Private Limited is hiring for senior junior Java developers who is having experience of 9+, and work location will be Hyderabad. Next one is some Value Momentum is hiring for Mendix developer with 4 to 7 years of experience, and ready to join within 60 days. Next one, Tech Mahindra is hiring for various roles across pan-India locations. So I have mentioned in the image. Next one is TCS. TCS is hiring for multiple roles, and they are conducting walk-in drive on July 27th, and job or they are hiring for order management, Java, .NET full stack, SAP ABAP, SAP QM, SAP EWM, Oracle EBS, RTL Financials, MuleSoft, SAP BW, SAP FICO, SAP SD, SAP ABAP, SAP FICO, SAP Basis, SFDC, SAP SAP Basis non-HANA. Next, LTIMindtree is hiring for data security specialist who is having experience of 8 to 10, and candidates ready within 60 days. Next one, TCS is hiring for SAP GRC, SAP ABAP, SAP FICO, Oracle Hyperum, Oracle EBS Technical, Salesforce, Oracle SOA, ServiceNow. Candidate should be ready for the walk-in drive interview on 27th July in Kolkata Gitanjali Park. Next, Accenture is hiring for freshers who is having experience of 0 to 1, and candidate should have BCom and BCom or MCom 2021 to 23 batches are eligible, and work location will be Chennai, night shifts. Next one, is Subek is hiring for business consultants and who is having experience of 5 to 10. Next one, Granules India is hiring for administrative officer who will be responsible for all the administrative activities and labor contract management. Next one is ProTV Global is hiring for HQL developers who is having experience of 5 to 9. And next one, IBM is hiring for cloud full stack developer and who is having experience of 5 to 12. Next, Allegis is hiring for associate customer service role. Candidate should have 0 to 5 years of experience and they can directly scan this QR code for the registrations. Next one is TechMahindra is hiring for SAP HCM function consultants with Indian government payroll experience. Next one, TEK Systems. TEK Systems is hiring for SNR source engineer who is having experience of 4 to 10 and candidate should be ready to join within 60 days. Next one is Sutherland Global. Sutherland Global is hiring for insurance delivery manager who is having experience of 12 to 15 years. Next one, TechMahindra is hiring for international KYC location Pune, experience minimum 2 years in international KYC and the salary would be 8 lakhs per annum. Next one is Polycab India. Polycab India is hiring for production executive who is having experience of 2 years and ready to work in shifts. Next one, Wipro is hiring for a senior ServiceNow developer who is having experience of 4 to 15, work location pan India except Mumbai and Kolkata. Next one, Birlasoft is hiring for Sightline technical consultant. Next one, ProTV is hiring for a C++ developer who is having experience of 3 to 5, location Noida, Bangalore and Hyderabad. Next, JEK Systems is hiring for Python developer who is having experience of 5 to 10 and ready to join within 15 days and work location will be Hyderabad, Chennai, Bangalore, Pune. Next, TCS Gandhinagar is hiring for SAP SAP Basis, SAP AP, SAP SD, SAP FICO and drive will be from 9 AM to 1 PM at TCS Block 1 Ground Floor, Garima Park IT and candidate should have at least 3 to 13 years of experience. Next, TechMahindra is hiring for CSA role. It's a work from home and candidate can be like undergraduate and graduate. Candidate should have his own laptop with the i5 generation and 8 GB of RAM, Windows 7, 10 or 11, Wi-Fi and power backup. Next one, TechMahindra is hiring for tax consultant. Work location will be Pune with candidate with 2 years of experience can apply for this role and 8 lakhs will be the salary, 4 days of working mode. Next one, TEK Systems is hiring for Java developer for Bangalore location who has 8 to 12 years of experience, can join within 15 days. Next, Motilal Oswal is hiring 2 interns at Hyderabad location Next, Motherson Sumi is hiring for embedded in developer who is having experience of 5 to 10, and candidate should ready to work from Chennai location. Next one, EBM Systems is hiring for senior test automation engineers in Hyderabad location, and experience should be in 7 to 12 years. Next one, LTIMindtree is hiring for guidewire business analyst who is having experience of 5+ years. Next one is Systems is hiring for multiple roles. AI/ML engineer 5+ years of experience. React.js 8+ years of experience. Python with React.js 10+ years of experience. Java full stack developer 4 to 12 years of experience. Angular developer 6+ years of experience. Database specialist with 10+ years of experience. Next one, Yes Technology is hiring for security project manager at Pune, Hyderabad, Indore and Bangalore locations, and the candidate should have 10 to 12 years of experience, and notice period immediate joins to 30 days. Next one, Express IT is hiring for SailPoint Identity Now cloud developer with one of our major clients. Location Hyderabad, experience 6 to 10 years. Next one is Value Labs is hiring for Pega Salesforce cloud developer, senior Power BI developer, Scrum Master, and work location will be Hyderabad. Next one, Wipro is hiring for extra technical and techno functional consultant who is having experience of 4 to 10. Next one, TCS Ahmedabad is having walk-in drive for .NET, Java and Angular. Next one is LTIMindtree is hiring for multiple roles. They can directly drop a mail with a resume. Next one, Zensar Technology is hiring for Python developer. I have provided the link in description. Next one is Campus Mark is hiring for their client for chat support who is having experience of 0 to 1 and ready to work 5 days in a week and 2 days off and rotational shifts. Transport will be both ways and CTC up to 3 lakhs. TechMahindra is hiring for customer case executives for e-commerce, banking and telecom process, and it should be good at English and Hindi. So work location will be Noida. Next one, Caro Health is hiring for HR onboarding executive at Hyderabad Kokapet and CTC up to 3 lakhs per annum. Accenture is hiring for residential underwriting who is having experience of 2 to 5 years and ready to work from Chennai. Next, Caro Health is hiring for talent acquisition role at NCR and experience should be 2 to 4 years. Next one, Polycap is hiring for manufacturing executive who is having experience of 2 years of experience, and next one is TK Systems is hiring for C++ developers who is having experience of 3 to 5 years, and next ITC Infotech is hiring for D365 technical consultant who is having experience of 6+ years. Next, TEK Systems is hiring for data engineers who is having experience of 6+. Next, Capgemini Engineering is hiring for a .NET backend developer. I have provided a link in the description. Next one, EY is hiring for business consulting risk cluster at Mumbai location, and next, Genpact is hiring for order to cash Gurgaon location, who is having experience of 3 plus. And next, InnoMinds is hiring for Azure DevOps, who is having experience of 4 to 7, work location Hyderabad. Next, Dr. Reddy's is hiring for the lead compliance manager, who is having experience of 10 plus. Next, Capgemini is hiring for automation with AWS contract to hire role, automation plus AWS engineer, 6 to 10 years of experience. Location pan India, notice period 15 days. And next one is Teamwear Solutions is hiring for IT infrastructure store engineer, 4 to 10 years of experience, work location Bangalore. Next one, EY is hiring for chartered accountants in Pune, with over 1 year of experience in assurance. Next, TCS is hiring for SAP FICO Hana, and I have provided link in the description. Next, TCS is hiring for network admin, who is having experience of 6 to 10 years, link in the description. Next, Mphasis is hiring for assistant operational managers. Next, Microsoft is hiring for LIMS developer, who is having experience of 2 to 6 years, ready to work in rotational shifts and pan India. Next, HCL is hiring for graduate trainee freshers, who is having experience of 0 to 1. Any graduate can apply, and graduation batch 2021 to 24 are eligible. Location Nagpur and Lucknow. Next, Geo is hiring for HR recruiter at Navi Mumbai location. Next, GST is hiring for C automation, is having experience of 5 to 7, location Pune. Next, Cognizant is hiring for duck policy developer. Next, GST is hiring for full stack developers, link in the description. Motherson Technology Services is hiring for SuccessFactors resources at Noida location, who is having experience of 10 to 15. Next, the EK System is hiring for a DevOps engineer in Tokyo. Next one, EY is hiring for BCom graduates who is having experience of 3 plus years consulting with central and state government projects. SAP, this is hiring for SAP Basis consultant, who is having experience of 8 to 15. I've shared the link in description. Next, Capgemini is hiring for SAP HCLTech Hana, who is having experience of 6 to 12.